Hey guys, there's actually two looks in this. This is just the finished, like, full look. I also have, like a more natural one that you could wear. This is like the full kind of look. If you want to know how to do it, if you want to know more about how my Animal Crossing pocket camp series goes, watch my villager video. I explain it in that one, or just the intro. And if you want to know how to recreate this and a more natural version of this, then watch the vid. So for the clothes, he wears a white shirt and a tie and a green sweater vest, which I think we have in the house, black or gray pants, and a red tie. But in the game he wears just a blue apron and nothing else, so I thought this kind of evens out the two looks. Right, for the hair, we're doing little bear buns, so essentially the same exact thing we did, or he's like a raccoon, I don't know. We're doing essentially the same thing we did for the
Crossing now. Come on everybody, I'll show you how. Now listen real close, I'ma tell you the sitch, cause my name is Tom Nook and I roll.
Next, for make. Primer. Same one, Avon True Color Eye Primer in light beige. I'm just going on with my finger because it's all on my nail now.
This bitch, congratulations, you bought a new home. Oh, you can't afford it? I can give you a loan.
So it has something to blend in with. Maybeline Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation in the shade 110 Porcelain.
I swear she's got porcelain skin, of course she's a 10.
You can get some bugs till the debt's been paid, cause you're the newest member of my slave trade. That's right, motherfucker, this shit goes.
I'm not really sure if I want to go natural with this. Or all out. So I'm gonna start with like a natural brown look on the eyes. And then smoke it. And then we'll see where it goes. So a neutral palette. And this kind of sparkly brown shade right here. Maybe I should start with the caramely one. Actually, I'm going to start with this caramely brown shade right here with a flat brush.
Real life bullets crossing my ball steel. I also like a ruler with huge ass content.
Then we're going to go in with a crease brush and go in with that other shade I was talking about, this like brown kind of sparkly shade.
Timmy and Tommy, my giant mongoloid son. Captain the Turtle's gonna be a new guy who can show you where the people across me die.
Now we're gonna do lips. I have a couple of brownish shades. He has really like a dark brown, like right there. So I'm gonna swatch all of these, see how they're working today. Alright, the color I'm feeling today is Nudie Patootie with by Wet n Wild. With this on top of it, this is Avon Glazewear Sparkle Lip Gloss. I don't know if it has a shade.
So give me a bell, so don't misbehave, or I'll come Mr. Rossetti to fucking take you a grave.
Alright, so this would conclude like a natural look, if that's what you're going for. However, I'm feeling the all-out look now. So, going in. the dark brown. And going around your eyes. He's a raccoon! He's not a bear! Oh, this is the Avon True Color Makeup Setting Spray. And this is Surprise Bear from the Care Bears Baked Plush Eyeshadow Palette. And it's like a dark... one of these dark browns over here. I'm just gonna use the same brush, honestly. Just going with this corner dark brown. This is the Studio M Professional palette. I can't find this anywhere online. Oh yeah, that's more like it. Well, that's Tom Nook for you. Pretty easy, I'd say.
His balls are